Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD, I will show you the most important settings that, in my opinion, you should change when working with the draft workbench. Let me first show you how the default settings work and what the problem is. So if I start to create a line, and let me just track from this point, and I want to create a horizontal line which is 25 millimeters long. I will move my mouse to the right of the first point, hold shift. This locks me to the x-axis. Now I can release the shift and type in 25 and hit enter. So this is how you can create a horizontal line. But if I want to create the horizontal line not from left to right, but from right to left, so this is the first point. Now I move my mouse here, hold shift and type in, and now I have to type in -25. So I have to be always mindful whether I'm creating the line from right to left or left to right. And what I like to do, or from top to bottom or bottom to top. And what I like to do is just point my mouse into the direction and type in the distance. And to be able to do this, in the draft workbench preferences, so I will go to Edit, Preferences, and in the draft workbench preferences, in the general settings, I set this option on, set focus on length instead of X coordinate. So if I check this and hit OK, now if I start to create line, and I will track from this point, I will start here. Now you can see that the focus is on this polar coordinates, on the length and angle, not the Cartesian coordinates. So if I now move my mouse here, hold shift and type in 25, I created the line in the direction that I was pointing my mouse with. So this is now really easy, and I never make mistakes like with the Cartesian coordinates. Now if I'm here and I move my mouse here, hold shift and type in 25, you can see that it's quite easy, and this is very useful. And you can also use it in other tools such as Move, where it is also very useful. If I want to move this rectangle 25 millimeters to the left, I will select it, fire up the Move tool, select the base point here, and now move my mouse to left, hold shift, and again here I'm in the length property. So while holding shift, I move my mouse to left and type in 25, hit enter, and now I move the rectangle to left by 25 millimeters. Now you have to be careful because some tools don't, like draft wire, they don't offer this polar coordinates insertion. So when the tool doesn't offer it, I have to use the Cartesian coordinates. So this is a bit unfortunate, but this is how FreeCAD works. So this is the key setting of the draft workbench that I think every draft or BIM user should know. If you are interested in tricks like this, you can watch my video about relative and global settings, which is kind of related to this topic. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.